Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Form W-2 tool, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the IRS website URL, www.irs.gov. Once the home page loads, look for the search bar at the top right corner. Type W-2 tool into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the search results to locate the link titled W-2 Online. Click on the link for the W-2 Online tool. On the W-2 Online page, find the option to log in. Click the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check both entries for accuracy to avoid any errors. If you've forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your login credentials if needed. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Submit button. Wait for the system to verify your credentials. If the login is successful, you will be redirected to your W-2 tool dashboard. From here, you can access your W-2 forms and related information. If you encounter any issues during login, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. You may also try accessing the site from a different browser or device. Should problems persist, consult the IRS help page for additional support. You are now ready to navigate the W-2 tool and manage your tax forms effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.